I'm so excited to set up my propagation station. This is the propagation station, but like elevated. It's natural wood, glass tubes, soft little grow light. It makes your cuttings look like decor. I'm always sticking pothos or philodendron cuttings in random jars around the house, but this actually makes propagation feel intentional and so pretty. Just added water, popped in my cuttings, and you get to watch the roots grow, which fellow plant people is weirdly so exciting. I love that it's rechargeable, no ugly cords all over your counter or on a plant shelf, plus the light dims, which I'm going to show you here. So it doubles as a cozy ambient light too. Honestly, it's part plant starter kit, part home decor, part thoughtful gift, perfect for Mother's Day, and kind of one of those things that you didn't know you needed until you have. If someone gave me this as a gift, I'd be ridiculously happy.